What's up, guys? Coach Courtney. My day is done. I just got through doing some work on the computer. I got that done today. Me and the wife had to cancel date night because today we did a lot of running errands, and I just didn't feel productive today. So I said, you know what? Let's put it off to tomorrow because I got to do something with my day to make me feel like I accomplished something. So I did a little work, emailing, texting people back today, and also getting my spreadsheet ready for the coaching members. So it took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Also scheduling some. Now we don't want to counsel, but scheduling some appointments. But I was sitting here thinking, guys, and I just tell you, when I tell you I enjoy what I do, I enjoy what I do. And the way the universe just brings everything together when you understand how to align yourself with it. But I'm going to tell you guys a little story about myself and also my wife and also a lot of you guys. There was once upon a time I did not enjoy what I did. I did not enjoy being a professional cleaner. I didn't. And this was the time where my prices were the cheapest. I probably didn't have the best skills, the best cleaning skills, the best communication skills. I didn't present my company in the way or the fashion I do now. And guys, and this is the time where every dollar counted. I mean, I depended on these jobs, but I didn't enjoy what I do. I didn't enjoy what I did at the moment. And a lot of times when we don't enjoy what we do, we tend to blame the position that we're in. We tend to blame other circumstances, our jobs, our boss, our business, our customers, the economy. When it's a recession or when people think it's about to be a recession, everybody want to blame the economy. Oh, the economy. Oh, you can't make money doing the economy, and the economy this, and it's like, no. Because if the economy was that bad, and I thought about this too when we was in our last 2008, 2009 recession, and I thought about it, and I'm sitting here, talking on the phone with all these poor-minded, mindset people like myself at the time, people who just was not positive. Everything, we was just blaming everything on everybody except ourselves. And oh, the economy's bad. Oh, you can't make no money in the economy, and blah blah blah. No money, nobody wants to spend money. Okay, it's the recession. And I thought about it one day when I was on the interstate, and I said, if we are really in a recession, where in the hell are all these people coming and going? And I remember at that time, it was a Super Bowl like every year. And I was sitting there watching the Super Bowl that year, and I said, if it's really a recession, why are people spending money to go to a game? Why are people spending thousands of dollars to go to a game when they can watch it on TV? And I just thought about that. And I said, you know what it is, guys? It ain't the recession. It ain't our job. It's not our boss. It's not our business. It's not our customers. You know what it is? It's us. It all starts with us. Once we learn how to change us, then everything else around us will change. But as long as you're aligning yourself with negative thoughts, see, that's the way the universe works. I heard my buddy Dr. Detail talking about this morning on Cleaners Connect. That's the way that you see, the people think the universe only works in our favor when it gives us positive, when it gives us something good in return. But guys, no. It also gives us something negative, something bad in return, because that's what you're asking for. That's why I never say I'm broke. Even when I was broke, I stopped saying I'm broke. I stopped saying I'm poor. I stopped saying I can't work for good customers. Everything that I wanted in my life, but even though I couldn't see it at the time, I still stopped telling myself I didn't have this. Okay. Everything I wanted, I started to speak into existence. And every day it happens. I haven't cleaned carpets in 2 days, and I have probably made more money in these 2 days than I could in 3 to 4 days of carpet cleaning. Okay. And I spoke this into existence the beginning of this week. Okay. So my thing is, man, is that what I'm trying to help you guys understand is that when you want something to change, when you want your circumstances, your environment, your job, your career, your business, when you want it to change, you have to change you first. You have to change your mindset, your way of thinking, your heart, the way you feel about people. You have to change it because it's not going to change because because it feels sorry for you. Oh, you think your job is going to change because your boss feels sorry for you? You think my business was going to change because my customers felt sorry for me? We know Courtney's not making any money. We know he's only charging us $20-$25 a room. We know he can't pay his bills and take his family on vacation and buy all the stuff that he wants to buy. So we're going to feel sorry for him and pay him more money. No, they're not. They're going to give me exactly what I'm asking for. I ain't going to put it on camera. Boo, I ain't going to put you on camera, but I just want to get your feedback. Because I know you ain't presentable to be on camera like all women. Okay, but I'm sitting here talking about change, right? Mm-hmm. And I was saying that how in life and business, our jobs, how it doesn't change unless we change. So remember last year when your first year of real estate, things were not going well. And remember you was talking about getting out of real estate and you talking about going back to work. Mm-hmm. But when did your real estate career change when you start making money?
When I shift my mindset to not think of a plan B and just stick with plan A.
There you go. And this has been a great year, right? Mm-hmm. Yep.
Fantastic year.
Fantastic year. All right, guys. So that's what it's about, man. See what my wife just said. Chloe, get away from the door. Y'all, somebody want a dog. But shifting your mindset, and that's the only way that things are going to change in your life and your business, your job, your career. Sometimes we got to turn our worst circumstances into a positive, a positive atmosphere, because it all starts with us. And that's what we have to understand, guys. It starts with us up here in your mind, here, here, okay, here in your heart. How you feel about things, okay? What do you think about, your surroundings? Everything doesn't have to always be a negative, because it's only a negative because we view it as a negative, okay? So I just want to put that out there today, guys. Going into 2020, hopefully this video can help someone, change the way you think. Align yourself up. Take those negative, those negative thoughts and all that negative stuff that you got, and see the universe is pointed here, but your thoughts are pointed down here, and that's where everything is aligned with the negative side of the universe. And just slowly but surely just shift it around until it goes to the top, and you just want to align yourself with the positive side of the universe, okay? And you just want to start seeing how everything is just working in your favor, and you worry. That's one of the best things about when you align yourself with the universe. You start to worry less, because you know that things are going to change. Things are going in your favor. Guys, it's just, I'm human. I know that. But it's just certain things I just don't worry about anymore. I just don't, because of how I think. It is what it is, man. And it's a great feeling. So, all right, guys, I'm about to enjoy the rest of my day. Hope you guys do the same. It's going to be a great December going into 2020. And I can't wait to see you guys there. See you in the next one.